How to install Wondershare software on your PC for backing up of your document such as contact, text messages, call logs, images, musics, videos, and install applications, etc. You can check the download link in the comment section.
In this today's video, I'm going to be educating us on a particular software called Wondershare, or you can either call it Mobile Co. This particular software is used on a PC, and it can be used to back up your documents from either from your old phones into your new phones. And the application can back up everything that has to do with your data on your phone, such as your contacts, your text messages, your previous call logs, your images, your music, your videos, and your installed applications. So these are the things these applications will do for you. And it has other features of which I will explain as the installing process will go on. Now, on this particular video, I'm going to guide you all on the step-to-step guide on how to install this particular application. This is a cracked version. Actually, the moment you install it, the license will last for 15 days, except you crack it. That will enables you to use it as long as you don't format your system. There will be no need for any activation, any license activation at all. So let's go through the process of installation, and let me show you how wonderful this tool is. Let's go. Now look at the application on my system right here. As you can see, it is on a zip format, so we are going to install it. In case you don't have any zip application on your PC, you can download 7-zip, or you download WinRAR, or you can download BandZip. As you can see on my PC, I'm using BandZip zip. So let's go through the installing process. Now look at the Wondershare. You double tap on it. Now look at the particular software you're going to install. You double tap on the application. Now forget about this virus indication of a thing. Just go through the installation process. Click yes. Click OK. Next. Just follow the installation process and you get it installed on your PC. Let's wait for the application to install. Now the application has finally installed. It's just finalizing. You can see the name here, Wondershare, or you call it Mobile Co. Just be patient for it to finalize the installation. The installation is still ongoing. Just be patient so that the software will properly install on your system. Now it has finally installed successfully. So you can click, as you can see, you can click finish so that you can launch the application. Now the application has been installed. Just be patient, it will come up. Now look at the wonderful Wondershare. This is the application I'm talking about. It works also on iPhone and any Android phone. It works on iPhone. It also works on Android phone. Now, looking at it carefully, you realize that they said it is 15 days. Please don't update. Whenever you connect an hotspot to your PC, it might probably ask you to update. Please don't update. Just remind me later. Now, looking at it, they ask you to register for a full version, which this current one you installed will last for just 15 days. As you can see it written here that 15 days. Your mobile go trial will expire in 15 days. Now, don't worry, don't panic. I'm going to guide you through on how to make it last forever as long as you don't format your PC. Okay, just click on cancel here and you realize that this extra charge is needed. This write-up, the moment we crack this software, it will no longer be showing that error sign. So let's just cancel it. Now look at this extracted patch mobile trans. You're going to disable your Windows Defender first so that your Windows Defender will not crash this particular software. So you just disabled your Windows Defender first. Now just scroll down on manage settings. You disabled it. Okay, just minimize it. Now we have disabled the Windows Defender. Now you're going to drag this extracted patch mobile trans into your system. Just click on it, left click and just drag it to your desktop. Now you can see it is already in my desktop. So what I will do, I will open it. Look at the particular software. Now you right click on it, copy it, go to your computer, locate your local disk C, go to your program files. Now you can just put this on list so that you see it properly. Now look at the Wondershare folder. Double tap on the Wondershare folder, enter mobile go. Double tap on the mobile go, put it on list. Now you can paste this up. Let me expand this so that you can see. Now you can paste that particular application you just copied. Just paste it here. Now look at it here now. Right click on it, run it as an administrator. Click yes. Now click on add. Exit the application. Now you have successfully patched that application. It will no longer be asking you to activate it after 15 days. So guys, let's just open the software and see what it looks like. So remember, don't update it. Always remind me later. That error is coming up due to the fact that you have connected an hotspot to your PC. But when doing this, you don't have to connect any hotspots to your PC. Just that I connected an hotspot to my PC. That's why that message is coming up. So all you have to do is what I've just explained. Now look at here. This is where you can go and back up your app or install app from your computer directly to your phone. This is where your contact is. This is where you see your SMS. This is where you see your music, your photos, your videos, and your files. Now, this is the procedure on how to install this particular software successfully. Now, in another video, I'm going to be educating you guys on how to make use of this particular software called Wondershare in another video. I will be dropping it soon. So follow this YouTube channel. You get the particular video. I will be showing you guys on how to install this particular, how to use this particular software. Now, this is where you see the details of your phone. Now, when you come to this super kit, this is where you do entire backup. This one click backup. This is where you do your entire backup, and this is where you will restore after backing up. But I'm going to produce a video with a phone that I will show you practical proof on how to back up your files, on how to restore your files. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.